In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Credit Karma account. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the official creditkarma.com website. Then all you want to do is you want to press on this green button that does say sign up. So let's go ahead and press on that. The first thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and create our account using an email address and a password. Make sure that this password is at least 8 characters long, and more importantly, make sure that you do memorize your password. I even recommend that you guys write down your password on a piece of paper and keep that piece of paper in a safe place. So I'm just going to go ahead and make my account really quickly. Alright, once you're done with that, go ahead and press on sign up just like so, and then it is going to bring you a page that looks like this. So it is going to say, let's start with the basics. So to create our account, we will need to input our first and last name. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly. Alright, once you're done with that, go ahead and press on continue. And then it'll also say, what can we help you with? Now, this part is optional, so I'm just going to be selecting on other, but just make sure that you do include your legal first name and last name. So let's go ahead and press on continue. Then it is going to ask you for your residential address. So go ahead and just enter in this information and then go ahead and press on this button that does say continue. So I'll be right back with you guys once I went ahead and put in my information and then press on continue. All right, now the last thing that you need to do is you need to enter in the last 4 digits of your SSN. You'll also need to go ahead and input your date of birth. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in this information, guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and press on continue. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter it in really quickly. All right, then it's going to say terms of agreement. So go ahead and press on I understand and agree, and then go ahead and press on continue. Once you're done with that, you need to go ahead and enter in your phone number. So go ahead and just press it in and then press on continue. Then it is going to send you a text message to the phone number that you did input. And from there, all you want to do is you want to enter in the code. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in really quickly. Then I'm going to go ahead and press on continue just like so. And once you're done with that, it is now going to log you in. And from here, you guys can go ahead and take a look at your credit report, or you guys can go ahead and even get started on your credit journey by getting a secure credit card. So there's a lot of great options that Credit Karma does have to offer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.